Okay, here we go. We are starting getting Miss Remy used to a different handler. This is my beautiful wife, Stephanie. She is a wonderful horsewoman in her own right, and the only exposure she's really had with this horse is feeding her from outside the fence and a few days of cleaning the stall here with Remy in it. So we've moved Remy into the barn now, where we've had such good progress that we want her back to a little bit smaller space for catching, which you could see has been easy peasy now, and it expands her bubble, right? So we're leading her further. We've been coming up to the barn to get hosed off and such after our ride, and this really wasn't a planned day. It's what I've been wanting to get towards, and I've mentioned that in the other videos that we're getting ready for Devin, her owner, to start doing things with her. That'll be this Friday. This was filmed on Tuesday. Editing this on Wednesday, so it's coming up quick. And I just happened to perfect timing be putting a horse away, and Steph was available and in the barn. I said, hey, why don't you halter and let's have you do as much as you can with her and go from there. So this was just end of the day. It was perfect timing to have this happen. And so Steffi brought her out. The reason you didn't see her swing the saddle on is I was going, oh yeah, I'm supposed to turn the camera on. Trying to just catch these that beginning blip. It was like, oh, we should film this. So Steffi did all the brushing, all the saddling, and that was just kind of real time. Let's go. This is the first time again that Steffi has handled this horse, and for her to feel her out and get used to the horse's energy, get the horse used to Steph's energy. It's a nice in between. Okay, so you have the difference of there is just a difference between male and female energy. We're all going to be a little bit different, but Steph, as a trainer and a rider, does really great work. She's done so much with me for so long. She's going to be the closest thing to being able to do things like and how I do them. And so as we go here and she feels out Remy, and Remy just is, got to get warmed up, right? Feel the saddle. Uh, she didn't get moved around first, so at times she can feel that back cinch or those things tickle her on that side, and she wants to kind of throw her hip into the feel to be defensive against it versus run away. And you can see how quickly she's starting to go, oh, I'm okay. As Steffi goes here, you can just see her being patient on nose, neck, shoulder, ribs, hip. So out into going. Up to the canter. She's lost the hind leg. So in a second here, Steffi's going to just go, hey, good girl, but try again. Have your hind leg there. Now she's got that inside hind leg up and under where it's meant to be. And again, Steffi has seen through this whole process, so she kind of knows in that moment, hey, hear the horse, feel the horse, and it's all right if she isn't confident to come straight on and get rubbed on the face. We can just rub that shoulder and we'll work our way to being straighter and straighter. As she kind of continues to work here, Steffi's just going through the kind of bare minimum groundwork, and this is where we'll start with Devin, is can she go through this checklist? And it's not just a checklist to check the boxes. It's a way to measure how is the horse, where is the horse mentally, emotionally, physically, and what needs to be better or what's working. Okay, it's a measuring stick. So how is the forwards? How is the backwards? How is the right? How is the left? How is the up and down? How good is the standstill? How reactive is the horse? How well does the horse feel us and accept our leadership and communication? Does the horse understand what's being asked of it? Okay, so you can see the horse understands, but it's having to get used to the difference in Steffi's energy. So when the horse misread that, look, Steph just goes, "Oh, that was weird. Let's just try to do that softer and easier." Oh, weird. No big deal. Okay, so instead of getting bothered by that the horse startled and did too much in that moment, Steph just gave her a chance to try again. Wasn't perfect the first time, fine, no big deal. That's a great then application of horsemanship and a great understanding of training and theory to just not get bothered when the horse is bothered. Okay. Just go, oh, that's weird. Try again. And that helps not escalate the horse and get the horse wound up. And it's maybe not what we want, but the horse didn't really do a bad behavior. It just didn't do a behavior we wanted. So the horse didn't need to run into any kind of hot lava or pressure. She just needed a chance to try again. It's like a child learning to count. If they go 1, 2, 4, oh, dang it. And you go, you idiot. That doesn't help. Okay. It doesn't help them. You just go, oh, yeah, no big deal. You oops. Let's just try it again. 1, 2, 3. Good job. You did it. Okay, and that's just, you're seeing approach and retreat here with the horse getting confident to go sideways, stretch, step into the feel, find some rhythm, relaxation, right? And what did Steffi do? Oh, released. And again, she's holding her, hey, you can stay straight. You don't have to crowd my space. There we are. It's very nice. See? What a good horse. See, and she's now able to stay a little bit straighter. She's starting to get a better read on Steffi and what is she doing. And by Steffi staying patient and Remy staying patient to feel things out, they're getting synchronized. My wife is very good at this and just, she's a great instructor as well. I love getting to watch her work. She spends a lot of time being the mom, running the barn, taking care of all of the behind the scenes things to allow me to train and teach and travel and do all those things, edit videos. It's great to just get to watch her be great at this as well. So there she was just kind of asking, what do you want next? And I said, let's just do the old rope behind the horn, do some burpees. And so again, the horse knows what's expected, but that was tighter than maybe we wanted. So we just kind of do a few reps here. Steffi's saying, hey, just read me there. Rubber, take a deep breath, not teach the horse to rush it. Ready, steady, and then go. Nose, neck, shoulder, ribs, hip. And by taking that little extra time and breath there, the horse can find her way to slow down and be thoughtful. Again, she rushed that side, so you're seeing Steffi just say to her, hey, you're good. Rubber. Spend more time rubbing to not rush it. Right? It's a great little application of training there. Don't condition her to rush. And don't take it personal that she's rushing. The horse is just tight. This is a lot of horse. And it's been a very bothered horse. So we can just stay patient on that and keep setting up for better goes. Each time that this horse gets used to other people, it'll just get better and better and better. And that's just a part of the training process. The nice thing about having Steph available, we've had Bray since the fall. She helps me a lot, and they just become a good buffer of how is it working, not just for me. Okay, if a horse only works just for me, that doesn't help anybody. The whole point for me is to train the horse, to condition the horse, help the horse to where they think of the human, not the Jake. And so these guys are great in between. they maybe get to ride more and handle more horses and do things than some of our clients every day. And we got to check that it's working and get the horse comfortable with more different people, different energy, different little ways. And that's how we can know it's going to start to work when we start handing horses off back to owners. And we can troubleshoot. Is it a horse problem? Is it a human problem? Is it a where in the puzzle does things fit? And so after stripping her down, it's just nice to see this horse be happy and confident to even have a good roll with Steph. All right. Thanks for watching.